Hi, I am Dr. Julie Brown, your trained concussion doctor, board-certified chiropractic neurologist, and fellow in traumatic brain injury and rehabilitation. I want to talk about lobes of the brain and the general functions that they have. It's much more complex than how I'm going to present it, but I want to give you some of the basics. So here's our great artwork. I'm going to draw a brain here. And this is the cerebellum. This is the cortex, so we have these different lobes. So we have our frontal, our temporal, parietal, and occipital lobes. And our frontal lobe is unique to humankind, and it is our personality and motor, so our movement to tell us how to move. And then we have our parietal lobe, and it is our sensory. So the way these two talk is if I step on a sharp Lego, there's going to be sensory that goes up to my parietal lobe, says, hey, there's something sharp here that could cut you. And it will feed forward to the frontal lobe and say, hey, lift that leg or avoid, and in the meantime, contract all the muscles so that I don't fall over. If it's not working, that's obviously not going to work correctly. Then we have our temporal lobe, hearing, long and intermediate term memory, learning by sound, and we have a right and left version. The right side, this is well, it's kind of both. The right side is our non-verbal communication. So that's you can tell if I'm mad by the way the tone of my voice, or you can tell that I'm friendly by that, or my facial expressions, or my hand movements. Going to be assessed in the temporal lobe. And then we have the occipital lobe, which is our vision. And that's really the basics of it. I will go into greater detail what these things can look like when things go awry. You can, if you'd like to know more, you can click on the website below, or you can click on the link here to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.